Hi, this is David Wood with Early Music America. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an event to the EMA events calendar once you've logged in at earlymusicamerica.org, and we have another video that you can watch about logging in and accessing your user account. From the user account menu, you can click Events, and that will take you to this page that we'll find ourselves right now. Also on the events calendar, you will see this blue bar when you're viewing the events calendar, and you can add events from there. So once you're on this page, simply click Add New, and this will take you to the submission page. You'll want to enter in your event title, a short description, checking all of your spelling. You can access different aspects of the toolbar here, including pasting as text, changing your text color, adding links within the text. You can change to different heading styles, whatever you would like to do in this area. You can also access the text-only version, which allows you to add in HTML code as you would like to in the event's description, so that you have as much control as possible over the way your description is viewed. Then enter your time and date. You can change your time zone if you'd like to do that, or adjust to the time zone that's already pre-selected. You can select an all-day event as well. If you have a multiple day series, then you can click Schedule More Events, and you can choose the details of this. If this is going to be a weekly event, you can choose on which day, monthly, yearly, a one-time repeat on a different day. And then you can also choose whether or not the repeat will be at the same time or a different time, and you can do that the same way here under weekly, and this will help you not have to add in a new event for every reoccurrence of a repeated event, and you'll also be able to manage all of the descriptions by editing the series instead of the individual events. And there are abilities to add exclusions, so if you are doing weekly on Mondays or Tuesdays and Fridays and you click exclusion, then you can say the event will not occur on such date as you would like, so that you can skip days as well. So once you've entered in your information there, you can continue down, and you can add in information about that recurrence if you'd like. Add an event image here. The max size is 200 megabytes, and this will be viewed at the top of your event. And this will also be the featured image that will be previewed on the events calendar in the image version of the events calendar. Add in a category here, and there are several categories you can choose from: workshops, webinars or web meetings, online events, so that would be performances and such, festivals. EMA events are for EMA sponsored events, and if you would like to have EMA help you with an event, you'll need to contact us before adding that. Concerts and Early Music Month events. And please note that you can choose more than one at the same time. So if you have a concert and you're going to be doing that online, you'll want to select both of those so that people can find it in the best ways as possible. If this is part of a festival, you can add festival, and you can select as many of those as you like. From here, you can choose tags, and this is just to help people find on the internet this event page, and you can choose the best tags that you think describe your particular event. Under the venue details, you can choose from previously created venues. So we have many here that have already been added by others. Or you can create a new venue if you do not find that. So if you are looking for First United Methodist Church, and you see there are several different versions, and what we ask is that if you don't find the version for your particular town and you're going to add a new one, to do like we find here with First United Methodist Church of Boulder, is just to add the city into the name of the venue, so that we can know for sure, because as you see here with this First United Methodist Church, we're not sure where that is, and no one else knows where that is as well. So if I was going to enter a new venue, I would just enter that information here, and I would enter the address and any other information for that particular venue, and then proceed from there. Organizer details are the same. In general, this will be you as you are adding this in here. But if you are working with another organizer, you can add that in as well. So here's Early Music America, and let's say we wanted to add a second organizer. We could look for that organizer. Perhaps it's the American Harp Society, and add other organizers, or you can create a new one like we had above, by putting in the name and any of the information for that particular organizer. And you can add or remove these organizers as you would like. The events website is generally going to be someplace on your own website where you have more information about that. And then in the additional fields, we have spaces where you can add more information, the contact name and phone that you would like people to use to contact you about this event, the email, any additional costs that are beyond the event costs. So if there's a parking cost, or you have different price sets for different patrons, you can choose those. If you would like to list your performers or faculty separately, other than your description, you can include them there. If you have a registration, whether it's for a festival or workshop, or it's an online event, you can enter the registration link there. And then if you're going to be live streaming, make sure to enter the live stream link where people will be able to go to actually watch the live stream link here. And that will help us after the fact be notified that you have a live stream, and then we can edit the event itself to show this live stream information. So I will would put that information in there. And then down here at the bottom, your event cost, registration cost or ticket costs, and then you see ways to leave it blank or for free events. Once you've created your event and you're satisfactory with what you've entered, please click Submit Events, and this will take you back to this Submit Event page, and you can view your event or submit another event. You can also view your submitted events, which would come up underneath your information here. And because I put that for today, it's not an upcoming event, but those will be listed on the bottom. And then you'd be able to find that by going to the user calendar here. And here we have the test event that I put in for this day and the time, and you could find that on the user calendar. If you have any other questions about the member calendar, please feel free to contact us using the information found in the Contact EMA section of About EMA.